Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Karamawian, and let's get straight to business. So essentially this week was very networking heavy. Yes, doing a lot of studying, but on Sunday I attended my usual Code and Coffee meetup. You guys know I love that place. I'm a volunteer there, and we had a great time. As you can see in the video, we had over 70 people showed up. As you can see here, there were a lot of people. This was in Queens, New York, and it was very fun getting to know so many different people. And I don't know, I just enjoy being in Code and Coffee with the community. It's such a great place to be. And if you guys ever are interested in going to the one in New York City, is New York Code and Coffee. And yeah, hopefully I can see some of you there. And that was on Sunday. And then I had a friend of mine that I met at the Commit Your Code conference last year, actually Marino, was kind enough to get me a very good discount for a conference about Kubernetes that took place, I think, like 2 days ago. And I had a great time there. As you can see, let me show you here. This is Marino. I took a picture as soon as I got there. This is him. And this is my friend Richard, who I met at Code and Coffee. And it was such a great opportunity to be there. I'm not too familiar about Kubernetes, but the fact that I was able to be there thanks to one of my friends, very appreciative of that. He actually spoke at the event, so I was there front row, and he's from Canada, and it was so great to see a friend of mine doing great things. So he's such a cool person, and again, I'm very thankful for the chance he gave me to go to this conference. And as you can see here, this is the event, and it was from 9 a.m. all the way to almost 6 p.m. Yeah, to 6 p.m. And it was so many individuals, and the focus was Kubernetes. So for those that don't know about Kubernetes, if you have heard about Docker containers, essentially what Kubernetes does is manages different containers. So that's the simplest way that I can possibly explain what Kubernetes is. Uh, I'm not from, I haven't worked with it myself, but people there were kind enough to really show me. And yeah, as you can see, those are the highlights of the event. My friend Marino, and yeah, I'm looking forward to going there again. It was actually their second um, conference, and I'm very looking forward. The community was amazing. Everybody was very welcoming, and this one took place in Manhattan, New York. And yeah, it was just a great opportunity, and I can't wait to be back if I go again next year. That's was basically my week for Sunday and for June 4th when I went to this conference, which again was an amazing opportunity. And this week I've been getting into testing with Spring Boot, and it's so insane everything that Spring Boot comes already built in. So I was learning today about JUnit, which is already a de facto standard testing framework that comes with a Java ecosystem. So I don't even have to install this; it already comes installed. It's just insane to me how organized. That's the best way that I can explain it. How organized, how structured the Java ecosystem is compared to JavaScript, where there's 20,000 frameworks, 20,000 ways of doing things, and it gets very confusing for new developers. But Java, yes, is a lot more intense, more verbose. But once you get into Spring Boot and you see the importance of the annotations and the way that you have to declare things, it becomes very clear why Java has been in the business for 30 years. It's very organized, they're structured, they give things time to like really settle, and you end up with good products, man, and great frameworks that just work, and just insane everything that I'm learning. And I can't wait to finish this and start working on my projects. And I'm very looking forward to using my tech stack, which is going to be TypeScript on the front end and Spring Boot with the builder of Maven in the back end. So I'm very looking forward to that. And yes, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.